You're watching Update 1 on Cyclone Olwyn, a new storm that has formed to the west of Australia in the South Indian Ocean. Its wind speed is currently 50 miles per hour, rising with a pressure of 989 millibars. Its position 17.2 degrees south, 116 degrees east, exactly as of 4 p.m. UTC on March the 11th. That's late evening local time. The storm's expected to move towards the south-southwest over the next 24 hours and potentially make landfall near Exmouth in the western part of Australia as a Category 1 storm on the Saffir Simpson Hurricane wind scale, Category 2 at least on the Australian wind scale, as the storm peaks just before it makes its landfall. Beyond that, the storm's expected to graze or move inland near the western coast and then eventually dissipate not too far from Perth in the southern part of the country, of course. Cyclone warnings are in effect right now for Port Hedland to Cape Cuvier, including Barrow Island, and a cyclone watch in effect for Cape Cuvier to Kalbarri, extending inland as far as Murchison Roadhouse, and other locations inland as well. Also under cyclone watches at this time. The storm is expected to penetrate inland quite significantly before it does dissipate, so do watch out for that. But as it stands, the coastline near Exmouth is where we're expecting to see the landfall, and that's the area of most concern at this time. Sea surface temperatures are rather warm at the moment, around 28 degrees Celsius. Not quite as warm as the east coast, but still certainly warm enough for the storm to really develop before it does make landfall along the western coast, just as sea surface temperatures begin to taper off a bit. Wind shear is looking very good indeed, decreasing substantially towards the southwest, which is where the storm is headed. And low amounts already over the storm, so that's not going to be an issue. There's a satellite image of the water vapor imagery showing what the current conditions are. A little bit dry towards the southwest by the looks of things, but the storm itself not looking in real danger at this time. Well, the latest satellite imagery shows a bit of a burst, I suppose, in the past few hours. A big flare up there near the centre of the storm as it's been progressing towards the southwest. Perhaps a little bit of an eye feature developing there. Maybe I'm a bit too quick to call that, but we could be seeing that towards near the landfall location by the time it does end up there. It is likely to be a hurricane by then. You can see the coast of Australia by the pink outline there. Lots of dry air marked in yellow on that last image that we saw there towards the southwest, but the rain bands are already making landfall over Australia right now. As of March the 11th at 2 p.m. UTC, there are several systems active. Subtropical storm Kerry in the southern Atlantic near Brazil, extratropical or post-tropical cyclone Haliber south of Reunion, Cyclone Olwyn, of course, Cyclone Nathan and Cyclone Pam, all located in the southeastern quadrant of our world, and also Tropical Depression 3W in the western Pacific. In 2015 so far we've seen 17 tropical storms, this one being number 17. 8 of them have become Category 1 hurricanes with winds of 74 miles per hour or higher. This could be number 9. 6 of them have gone on to become Category 3 storms with winds of 115 miles per hour plus. Olwyn not likely to reach that intensity though. You can visit Force 13 on any of our outlets. The website force13.com is the main place to be for all the goings on around the world storm-wise. Of course, the video page on YouTube, search Force 13 for all our videos past and present. Also the social platforms, Force 13 on Facebook, at Force 13 on Twitter. You can also speak to me personally on Skype at Fool13 for tropical weather chat on there, and ask for an invite for our chat room where you can discuss storms with fellow storm trackers. We're also going live this evening at 9 p.m. UTC to discuss all the storm activity. We'll be running for at least an hour. Check out the links which will be posted soon on the social media pages and on our website. But that's all for now.